Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? My name is Hussein and I'm back again, once again, to bring you all some of the weekly updates and to share with you what's going on in the financial markets. All right, it has been an exciting week. Of course, we've got a lot of pitfalls, but as usual, it's our responsibility to share with you, to give you the most reliable and recent updates that's going to help you out to make your decision in the financial markets. First of all, let's get started first from the pandemic situation, which is actually heading downhill worldwide, remaining one of the major market drivers as we noticed. New record numbers of infections were reported in the United States on Friday and Saturday with about 83,700 new cases. This pandemic is gaining strength and speed as it's getting colder in the autumn. While a White House Chief of Staff, Mark Meadows acknowledged that the U.S. is not going to control the coronavirus pandemic. We are not going to control the pandemic. We are going to control the fact that we get the vaccines as soon as possible. Therapists and also other mitigation areas to be covered, said by Meadows. Infectious disease specialists warn that in the next few months, the situation is going to get more worse. The market ignored rising infections for a long while and may continue to do so amid expected earnings report of the largest U.S. companies in the United States this week. Meanwhile, the stimulus saga in the United States, is far from the end and is likely to continue after elections next week too. The appetite for risk is weakening on this background. We can see it on the S&P 500 broad market index chart as it continues to slide. The index may drop way below 3,400 points this week ahead of elections. However, in the long-term perspective, it may resume climbing after stimulus measures will be finally approved. And this is highly likely to happen after elections. So the long-term sentiment for the S&P 500 remains bullish within the target. So new all-time records will be way above 3,488.11 levels. The demand for US 10-year treasuries is rising with the yield decline to 0.81%. And also gold prices are consolidating in the narrow range of about somewhere around 1,873 to 1,933 per troy ounce. As we may expect this consolidation to continue until the elections. When we talk about Brent crude oil, Brent crude prices are gradually declining. Prices slipped below $41 per barrel as sell-offs were triggered by the rising production of crude in Libya, worsening global coronavirus situation, and rising number of oil rigs in the United States. Baker Hughes reported on Friday that the number of active oil rigs rose by 6 to 211 units. Crude prices are also pressured by the uncertainty with the relief bill in the US, which again failed to be agreed by Republicans and Democrats last week as the White House and Democrats leaders continue to dispute on its size and measures that should be included in this package. Brent crude prices may test the support level of somewhere around 38.80 per barrel, considering that the agreement will not be reached before the elections. And that is all for the day. Thank you very much, guys, and see you again. Bye-bye.